Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to art my heart, and this is a new video from 5-minute arts, so don't skip this tutorial and subscribe this channel for more videos and comment below what art I will do in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute arts official channel. Today I will art my heart word step by step. If you want to learn this English, please don't skip this video. And don't forget to join our official Facebook group. If you want to get support from us, you have to join in this group. Our Facebook group name is 5-minute arts official group, or check link in the description. Thank you.